Welcome to How To with Husqvarna, where we show you how to take care of some of your favorite Husqvarna equipment. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly prepare your Husqvarna zero-turn mower for the winter. Winterizing is vital to protecting your Husqvarna ZTR against the harsh winter weather and also makes it easier to bring it back into service in the spring. Before you begin, refer to your owner's manual for details including the personal protective equipment needed to service your Husqvarna zero-turn mower. If you need to locate an owner's manual, please visit Husqvarna.com. Before you store your ZTR for the winter, clean the deck to remove dirt and grass that can hold in moisture and make your deck rust. Connect a hose to the built-in deck washport to clean the underside of the deck. Then leave the ZTR out in the sun until the deck is completely dry. Grease all the zerks and refer to your owner's manual to find the location of all the zerks on your machine. You also need to make sure you store your ZTR with as little fuel in it as possible to prevent damage to your fuel system. So, when you get close to the end of the mowing season, only add enough gas to finish the job so you can store your mower with the fuel tank as close to dry as possible. You can also run out all the fuel the last time you use it and use canned fuel to finish the job. It will not degrade and damage your fuel system over the winter and is okay to leave in the tank during seasonal storage. The winter cold can also damage your ZTR's battery. Batteries have a tendency to discharge at different rates depending on the winter weather conditions. To keep your ZTR's battery working, it's best to store your ZTR someplace that maintains a steady room temperature all winter long. You may need to roll the ZTR into storage. To allow for free wheel, engage the transmission bypass levers on the rear of the ZTR. There is one for each side located on the rear of the machine in between the wheels. After you have it settled into the location, disengage the bypass linkages so it won't roll easily. This will also keep you from being surprised come spring when the machine won't move if you forgot to disengage the bypass levers. If space is an issue, you can also remove the battery and store it in a climate-controlled location. You can also attach a battery tender like this Husqvarna model that attaches directly to the battery to help protect and extend your battery's life over the winter. We hope this video was helpful in demonstrating how to properly winterize your Husqvarna zero-turn mower. Remember that proper maintenance of your equipment will ensure maximum performance and extend the life of your Husqvarna equipment. To learn more about keeping all of your equipment on the cutting edge of performance, check out all our How To with Husqvarna videos online. And thanks, as always, for choosing Husqvarna.